Hi everyone, my name is David and today I'm going to be reviewing this Android tablet bundle deal. You get a keyboard, mouse, stylus and case with this. So let's just open it up. Okay, so first of all, this is brand new, I've not even opened this yet guys. This is how the tablet comes. It'll be like that. You can simply turn it on and you will just set the tablet up just like any normal tablet, like that. It comes with a camera on the back, it's a dual camera, and you also get a camera on the front as well. So next up, let me just move this to the side. So next up, you also get a keyboard. Now this is a Bluetooth connectable keyboard. As you can see, you would just turn it on there like that, and it's got connect. As you see, you just connect like that. You would turn on your Bluetooth wherever you're using it. You just turn on the Bluetooth onto the tablet and connect. And then I'll just put this away 1 second. In fact, I'll do that after the video. Next up, we also get this case with it. So this is the case. The tablet would go in this, like this. As you can see, it's got a hole for the camera already there. That goes in there like that. Now the case comes like that, where you can use it. It'll keep it stood up all the time, like that. And it also protects the screen. But that's not all. Let's show you what else comes with this. So we also get a stylus. This is for controlling the screen. You would just use a stylus and it would move it around. You could tap, just use it. It's just like using your finger, but it's a bit more responsive with the stylus. It also comes with a charger for charging the tablet, and then you also get an optical mouse as well, guys. Now this takes 2 AAA batteries to turn it on, and then once the batteries are installed, you just turn it on simply by there. And this is also connected by Bluetooth. It's just like having a normal mouse, no different at all. It's got the roller wheel on it. So then you would have the mouse, you would have the keyboard, everything set up. It would just be like basically having a smaller type laptop. So you would have the you would get that, you would get the keyboard, you would get the mouse, and you would get the stylus all together in this. This comes with 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. They can be upgraded as well, the storage and RAM. But yeah, that's everything for this review today. This is everything that you get with it, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks everyone.